How to turn off age restriction on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to turn on or turn off age restriction on TikTok, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the application on your device. After that, go to your profile by clicking in the bottom right corner of your screen over here. Now it will take you to your profile page. From here, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a three-line option. Click on it. Then go to settings and privacy, which is on the bottom of the page. Then it will take you to settings and privacy. From here, under content and display, you can see the option which says audience controls. Click on audience controls. Then you'll see one option over here which says age 18 and older. If you toggle this, then you have successfully turned on age restriction. However, if you want to turn it off, just untoggle this. So this is how you can turn off age restriction on your TikTok. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope you liked it. Hope this was informational to you and see you in the next video.